Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Neha and today we are gonna do a haul video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Neha and today we are gonna do another haul video. So, New Year, sale, birthday, sale. I had enough reasons to shop and I shopped a lot from Zara, H&M, Forever 21, Coops, and I'm gonna share all of them with you guys. So without much ado, let's just get started. So let's start with Zara. The first thing that I got is this top. This is a beige top with work all over. It has got full sleeves and there is work on its cuffs well. And this is sort of peplum, but it's not very, the flare is not too much. And this is Zara Women. Yeah. And this was on 50% off. The price of this one was 3,000 and I got it for 1,500 and I am really obsessed with this. This looks really smart when we wear it. The second thing that I got from Zara is this skirt. This is light peach in shade and it is a mixture of sweat and leather, sort of like fox leather or whatever, and it has got zip at its back, and this can be really worn with a darker shade of top, and this would really look very smart. This is A-line. The price of this one was 2,490 and it was on sale as well, so it was for 1,190 after sale and I'm in love. This really looks very smart though. The third thing that I got was also a light peach shade dress. This is kind of lacy and this is knee length. This is sleeveless and it has got V-neck. This really looks very smart and this was for 1,790 and I got it for 990. The fourth thing that I got was the scarf. I really love the scarf because it has got stripes all over, and stripes, I'm a fan of stripes. And this mustard grey and black color really gives it a very fall vibe. And this is so soft and this is so warm that I really wanted something of this sort, and this was for rupees 990 after sale. The original price was rupees 2,000 and I think it was on 50% off. Moving ahead, the best part of this Zara haul was these boots. These are tan brown over the knee boots with heels, and this is the most favorite part of my Zara haul. I really loved it a lot because I have always wanted a boot like this, and this is in tan brown color, I guess, and this was for rupees 5,000 and after sale I got it for rupees 2,000, which is so amazing because a boot like this, that too from Zara, and that too so nice for 2,000 bucks is strange. I mean, yeah, the moment I saw it, I wanted it and I bought it, and this was my favorite, my most favorite among all Zara haul. Let's move to H&M, and the first thing that I got from H&M is this orange top, which is a choker top. This choker goes around your neck and this is the top. It is too much in trend, and the moment I saw it, I wanted it. This was not from sale, this was from their fresh arrivals, but this was not very pricey. This was for rupees 999 and I really wanted something orange for a very long time because I hardly have anything in orange. The other thing that I got from H&M is this skirt, which is black, and this is also sweat, and I really love the buttons all its front, and it has got a zip at the back, and this really fits me well, and this really looks smart. I mean, the material sort of, it is quite thick. It can be worn with stockings or leggings in winters as well. And yeah, this was for rupees 2,000, but in sale this was for rupees 1,000, so it was like 50% off. The third thing that I got from H&M are these boots. These are ankle length boots and it has got heels as well. This is black, this is sweat, and it has got zip on its sides. They can be worn with shorts, skirts, dresses, denims. They are very versatile and this is really very stylish. Let's move on to Forever 21. I didn't buy a lot of things for Forever 21, but this bag which has a pom-pom with it, and this is maroon, and this is a sling bag. And I really wanted a small bag because some days when I just want to carry some money and chapstick and some cards, this bag would really go well. And the best about this pom-pom is that in H&M, this pom-pom alone is for rupees 500. So I was really happy that it comes with the bag. The price of the bag was rupees 1000 and it was not on sale. It was from the fresh arrivals, and yeah, that's it. Now moving on to Koofs. From Koofs I have shopped 2 shoes. I really wanted something in silver and I have no shoes in silver at all, so I bought 2 and both are in silver as well. So first one is this. This is Oxford kind of shoes with a pointed toe and black laces, and this is metallic silver with white soles, and this is still new. I didn't wear it at all. The price of this one on Koofs was rupees 1490 and I got it in sale for rupees 508, and I thought it was quite worth it because a shoe like this in 500 rupees is quite nice, and it has got one in golden as well, but I really wanted something in silver, so I bought this one. If you want something in golden, then you can still go and buy it, and I really love the entire look. And the last thing of my haul video is this. They are plimsolls and they are in silver as well. They are also from Koofs, and I think the price of this one was 995, and after discount I got it for 330 rupees, which was quite a steal. And I think 330 rupees for these pair of shoes are quite reasonable. And there was crazy sale going on Koofs. I am not promoting them, but I just want you guys to know that there was a lot of good stuffs at very low prices. They had like flat 80% or some sort of sale. And yeah, that was all about my haul. And we are very close to 1000 subscribers, thanks to you guys. And maybe our next video is gonna be a 1000 subscriber giveaway. Who knows? So that was all about today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, bye! Also nice. Fruity, sit down. Winterish vibe and soft, and I always wanted such sort of scarf.